One of the goals of the Evidence Hub is to bring together practitioners, researchers, policymakers, who all appeal to quite different kinds of evidence, from research publications to practitioner reports, videos from the field, etc., and policy documents. A lot of these are online, and so we've given you a tool to annotate something whenever you discover it in your web browser. You drag this bookmarklet up to your toolbar in your browser, and now let's imagine that we're out on the web and we found a very interesting project called the We Can Too project. We Can Too was a project managed by MenCat, funded by etc, etc, etc. Okay, so this is very interesting. I want to grab this and put it straight into the Evidence Hub. So I select the text that's interesting, launch the sidebar, and I'm going to add a new organizational project. Clicking that button grabs the text from the web page. I'm going to add a new project called We Can Too. I'm going to add that it's at the Open University, and the postcode I happen to know is at MK76AA. You can see down here it's got the details of the web resource we're looking at, and I need to add at least one theme to index this, and perhaps one other tag, and I'll publish that. You'll note that a little icon is added straight into the text of the page here, and clicking on that allows me to explore the entry in the Evidence Hub now. So this is what the Evidence Hub currently knows about the We Can Too project. And now, of course, I could add further issues, claims and evidence, etc. if I wanted to. If we browse the organizational map, then zooming in on the UK, we'll be able to see that this is now showing up on there as well.